In this video, I want to show you how to record vertical videos on your DJI Action 6. So to do this, well, okay, turn on your camera, tap this over here where you see the resolution of your recording. And then on the top, you're going to see a screen or a rectangle. Tap on it. And here you have all your aspect ratio. If you want to film in vertical mode and only in vertical mode, even if your camera moves around, well, select portrait, and as it says here, lock portrait aspect ratio. It means that even if you turn the camera in landscape mode, well, it will not switch, it will still continue recording in vertical mode. So I have left it this way, and now we can exit this menu. And as you see, it's now recording in vertical mode. Now, the best way to record will always be the other way, since you're going to have a better view of what's in front of you. It will take more space on the screen. It's easier to see what's in frame, what's not. But if you prefer recording this way, it's also a possibility. Depending how you mount the camera, maybe this way it's easier for you. Every time you want to go back in landscape mode and lock it in that mode, well, click on the resolution, on the rectangle, and then switch landscape. Now, obviously, you also have default. You can also lock the screen orientation in vertical mode if you switch the camera in vertical mode. And then all you have to do is to swipe from the top of the screen and click this icon over here, and it will lock the orientation. So now if I exit this menu and I go back, it will not go in landscape mode. It will be locked in vertical mode instead, no matter how I put the camera. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.